Right people, so we've got a Volkswagen Tiguan in. There's a repair on the edge of the bumper and the wing, blending into the door. So off camera we've got the bumper and the door, which we'll show you at the end of the video how it all came out. But yeah, so it's all been masked up, panel wiped. Now I'm just going to tack rag everything, just blowing air onto it. Then we're going to put a light dust coat on. This is water-based paint we're using, so always go with the light dust coat, otherwise it pickles up and goes a bit funny. Try and keep the colour off the top edge of the bonnet. Obviously the edge of the wing's fine because we've got the door off camera that we're painting as well. Right, so we're now going on with the second coat. Nice wet coat for this one. I think this took 3 coats to cover, and then I put just a little drop on it. Just, you don't need to drop it as a solid white, but I just like to make it look all nice and even. OCD, I guess. Right, so now we're just going to put you just saw the third coat we put on. This is just going to be a drop coat. Just a nice little drop coat to even it all up, make it look nice. And then the next shot is the last coat of clear, because I forgot to hit the old record button for the first coat. Right, so the first coat of clear kept away from the top edge of the bonnet. This is the second coat, so we'll go a full wet coat over the whole lot. Just kept the first coat away from the top of the bonnet just to try and so the clear doesn't tint the white too yellow. The match wouldn't be too great, but as it is, it came out nice. Right, here we go then, show you around it. It came out really nice. 2 full wet coats using the iWater WS400. This is an HS clear. Like I said, 2 full wet coats and then a flash off of about 5 minutes in between coats. In this heat anyway, about 10 to 12 if it's not too hot. But yeah, you can see it come out really nice, really flat finish. The door that we painted, you'll see in a sec, came out lovely. Obviously it's nice and flat so we can hammer it on. But yeah, really nice finish on this one. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.